Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. You have to excuse the noise today. I'm outside again recording, and today I have for you another future project of mine, a U-2R model. It is a 65-inch length fuselage and 110-inch wingspan, and this is the plug for the model. And this is all 3D printed, and it is ready to be molded, to make molds from. It's nice looking jet, and like I say, can't have an SR-71 without the U-2. So here it is. Everything for this project, like I said, is ready to be molded, even the stabs. Everything. They've already been filled in, sanded, smoothed out, polished, and waxed, and it's all ready to go. And I even went ahead and made the molds for the canopy already. And here they are. And these are for the canopy.
Subscribe for more.